Yes, ma'am. Yeah. Now you are make this line, the texture of the tree. Some make the texture very light color. We are doing the texture like this. Okay. So now we're doing here the land like going like this, and here is a tree. The bushes. Here is the tree. Very simple. The tree is a very simple line. It's like a circle kind of. Very simple. This is the tree, and this is the bushes. Okay. Understood? Wow. We're going to make here the road like this, and here is a leaf flower like this. Okay. After that, we can go ahead, make a scenery here. One house, small house, just straight line. Straight line. Make the straight line, and do this. House only, okay? Make house like this, very simple house. Here the door, okay? And make a circle like this, and make it like this. Yeah. See the house like this, and he need right. Yes. So make it now. Here you can create this. The tree of pine tree. Very special. So far, he has the bushes and some pine tree over here. So far, okay. So it looks so far. So that's why so far we're creating this. And here is a cloud, a white cloud. Is it not a tree? This tree is this. It's a cloud. Cloud. Here you can draw this, in this road. Okay, in this road you can make some character, very fun character. I make something Humpty Dumpty kind of things with the hair. Okay, the characters have a hand and have a leg. Okay, they are going to this road. The road is going. Yes, Bobo, you can make the girls also. Make a tree. one log also you can draw. This log is actually wooden log, but it's cut. It's wooden log, but it's cut someone. So very bad. Okay. So you can make here, make some tree like this. Yes, time is off. Every 2 minute time you have it. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Okay. Make scenery like this. I just make it a marker outline. Okay. Yes, who is finished drawing can show and then say bye, sir. Finish, beta. Show me. It's Ragvi. Show your drawing. Yeah, I like. Yes, it's really awesome. You can leave. Bye, beta. Yes. Finish, beta. Yes. Just a second. So I make it and then I tell you. Yes. 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 It's a nice. I like it. Yes. Why not? I see the drawing. Please show me. Wow. I see. I see. This is good. Show it up. Wow, very good. Thank you so much, all of you.